that real lightning in real time? No, I saw his phone. There went one. That was
Now
good.
see, you're turning the wrong direction.
No, he would have gotten that if he was here.
He did get that one, but
Yeah.
now he's turning the wrong direction.
But it was right.
Oh, you too.
See?
Got that one.
Make sure that Georgia Bulldog thing's up in there.
Right here.
Yeah, we got a good one building up, I can tell. Oh, that one was way up there, man.
It's moving that direction.
I'll tell you what, you know, when the lizards start hauling ass, you know you're in trouble.
I saw that.
I hope there you can edit, or somebody can edit this,
It's a nice one.
the voice stuff. Cause I'm a no joke, die-hard Georgia Bulldog fan, #1. That's right. Y'all go dogs. You hear me, cuz? Ooh, that was a good one. We going between the hedges. And anybody that wants to come in to the SEC, just brought yourself on. Cause we look forward to teaching you a little something, something.
Chase the lightning?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah, you
Storm chasers.
well, you know what Chase the Lightning's about? You know, the electric sheriff, they call it Chase the Lightning.
Oh.
Riding the
Ooh,
lightning.
Riding the lightning.
very
Yes.
nice.
So I can just see them ride the